everyone. Today I'm sharing with you how to make ginger biscuit. That's very easy to make. That's not just beautiful, it was super crunchy and it was delicious as well. I hope you try it and let me know the outcome in the comment section. Let's get started. In my mixing bowl, I added in egg and then I wait till well combined before going in with the softened butter. Please make sure your butter is in room temperature. If not, keep it in the microwave for about 30 seconds and that should be enough. Add it to it, add in powdered sugar, mix till well combined before going in with the dry ingredients, which is a pinch of salt. I added in ginger powder, cinnamon powder, and then cocoa powder. So sieve in your cocoa powder and then add in your flour. So the flour, don't add it to it all at once, beat at a time until you've added in all. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So once the flour is added, go ahead and mix till well combined and then add in the rest of the flour. So basically these are all the ingredients needed, and as you can tell, this is the normal basic ingredient and it's very simple. Make till everything has come together until it has formed a dough. The dough is going to be quite sticky, but do not be tempted to add in more flour. This should be the consistency. At the end, we roll it and then we'll put it in the fridge for at least 1 hour for it to firm before cutting it. So it's very easy. Just leave the dough like that and then transfer it on a parchment paper, put another parchment paper on top, roll the dough up. The thickness should be around 5 to 6 millimeters. When done, keep it in the fridge for at least from 30 minutes to 1 hour. So as you can tell from the video, it has firmed up. Go ahead and use a scone cutter, a cookie cutter to cut a round shape as seen in the video. So once it's firm, it's very easy to remove it. Transfer it in your baking tray. Make sure you line your baking tray with parchment paper, and then I use this type of pasta, this shape of pasta to make this round shape. So it's totally optional. If you want, you can bake it right ahead, but you know me. So just go ahead and use this kind of pasta to make designs on top and you are good to go. So to make it more uniform, I use the flower shape of the other side of the cookie cutter to cut that round shape, and then I took out any excess to have a clean job. When done, bake this bad boys at 170 degrees Celsius from 18 to 20 minutes. 170 degrees Celsius from 18 to 20 minutes. And guys, just look at it. Isn't it beautiful? It was super crunchy. You feel the ginger and it was delicious. If you're a ginger cookie lover, you'll definitely love this amazing biscuit recipe. So guys, I'll leave you here. See you in my next video. Please make sure you like, comment and share. Till then, bye bye.